Hi, hello and welcome to Nutritrack. Check out this interesting snack recipe. Hope you like this quick and easy recipe. Do give it a try and comment to us below. And let's check out the nutritive value of this nutrient-dense snack recipe. This snack is rich in protein, iron and magnesium and has a good amount of fiber in it. Little millet has high iron content when compared to other millets. So do give it a try for the kids at home. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to NutriTrack for more interesting recipes, diet plans and nutrition updates. Stay healthy with NutriTrack.